Welcome to the stitch guide. This week we're going to be looking at the Suzette stitch, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It feels like it would be really warm as well. I think it's the perfect stitch for a baby blanket, or if you want to work up something quick for dishcloths, this would be great. It's very similar to the blanket stitch, but it's quicker and uses less yarn. So let's get started. For the demo, I'm going to be using this lovely 100% wool by Symphony Viva DK yarn, and I'm going to be using a 4mm hook. So to start, we are going to make a slip knot. Oops. And then we're going to chain an odd number of chains. So I'm going to make 21. You can make however many, however big you want your sample to be. So I actually went ahead and chained 31 instead. I thought that wasn't a big enough sample, 21. So in the second chain from the hook, we're going to make a US single. And then we're going to make a US double into the same chain. If you're using UK terms, that's a UK double, UK treble. We're then going to skip a chain, and into the next chain we're going to repeat. We're going to make a US single and a US double. Skip a chain, into the next one, US single, US double. Remember, if you're using UK, that's a UK double, UK treble. Skip a chain, into the next chain. Again, those same 2 stitches. And we're going to go all the way along to the end of the chain, skipping 1 and then making 2 stitches. So if you're making along, you can press pause, and I'll see you at the end of our chains. So when we get to near the end of the chain, we've got 3 chains left. We're going to skip 1, make 2 stitches as we have been. And then in that last chain, we're just going to make a US single. UK double, yeah. Chain 1, and we turn our work, and we're ready for row 2. So for row 2, into that first US single from the last row, yeah, or UK double, we're going to make a, same as before, US single, US single, US double, or UK double, UK treble. Skip 1, and then into the next stitch, same thing. Those 2 stitches together. After your 2 stitches, skip 1, and then 2 more stitches. So it's going to work up nice and quick. It'll be nice stitch for a baby blanket if you're making a blanket for a gift and you want to make it quickly. Skip 1, next stitch, 2 stitches. And we're just going to do this all the way along to the end of the row. If you're making along, you can press pause, and we will turn our work together. So when we get to the end, we'll make 2 stitches as normal. Then we've got a US double and a US single. We're going to go into the single with just a single stitch and chain 1. Yeah, so if that's UK terms, you'll be doing a double and chain 1. Turn your work. So it's a 1 row repeat. We're just going to do exactly the same thing now as row 2 for as long as you want your blanket, and it's the same on both sides, which is quite nice. So into that first stitch, we're going to make a US single, US double, or that's a UK double, UK treble, skip 1, and then make 2 stitches. And we're just going to keep going. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that you like this fabric. I think it's a lovely stitch. If you've got any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. And I'll see you in the next video.